PSU white flashes? They can often be fixed with a few simple steps. 1. Check all power connections. Ensure every connector, like the 24-pin motherboard, 8-pin CPU, and PCIe power, is securely in place. 2. Inspect for short circuits. Make sure no metal parts are touching the motherboard. Check standoffs, and look out for loose screws. 3. Test with minimal components. Just connect the CPU, RAM, GPU, and motherboard power cables. If it boots, reconnect parts one by one. 4. Check the PSU. Verify it has enough wattage and test it separately if you can. 5. Reseat components. Reinstall the RAM, GPU, and all power cables. P6. Inspect for burn marks or smells. Unplug immediately if you notice any. 7. BIOS flashback. Update the BIOS if necessary. 8. Test with a different PSU. This can help rule out a faulty PSU. 9. Contact the manufacturer if the PSU is still problematic. By following these steps, you can diagnose the issue and get back to gaming. Like and share for more quick fixes.